Hello and welcome to English Bytes. In this video, we are discussing the word frenetic. Frenetic has 3 syllables. In British English, we pronounce it as frenetic, frenetic, frenetic. And in American English, we pronounce it as frenetic, frenetic, frenetic. Frenetic means a situation or an action that is extremely fast, busy, and out of control. The example sentences are: number 1, the chef worked with frenetic speed to prepare the meal for people. Number 2, after weeks of frenetic effort, the task was finally finished. Synonyms of frenetic are energetic, busy, hurried. The antonyms are calm, relaxed, unhurried. This word is an adjective. Common preposition used with the word frenetic is of, and the other prepositions are in and at. Thanks for watching.